In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to front post double crochet. This stitch gives great texture to your projects. To front post double crochet, you do not go into the top of the post like you normally do. Normally, if we were going to double crochet, we would go between these two loops here. Instead, we go through this front post here. We go through this stitch right there. So in order to do that, you yarn over, come from the side of the stitch here, go under and back through the other side. And then you yarn over, pull the yarn through there, and then pull it up, and now you'll finish your double crochet. So yarn over, pull through the first two loops, and yarn over and pull through the last two loops. That just brings that stitch up to the front and makes it stand out. The raised stitches that you see here are your front post double crochets. This stitch is great for adding texture to any of your crochet projects. I like using it in beanies and scarves and washcloths. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below and I will respond to you. Thank you for watching my video.